Why is flexibility a benefit of Lambda expressions in Kotlin? Sick of rigid, bulky code that's hard to maintain? Struggling with callbacks making your Kotlin confusing? Learn how Lambda expressions introduce flexibility that will revolutionize your development experience in just 2 minutes. By treating Lambda expressions as first-class citizens, Kotlin enables you to pass them as arguments, store them in variables, and return them from functions. This provides a high level of flexibility, allowing you to dynamically adjust the behavior of your code at runtime. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.